brake pads. Helpful tools for the job: a jack stand, a wheel chock, which I don't have right here, a ratchet, 14mm flat blade, and a brake caliper toolkit. The dealership says the front brakes are bad. So front brakes being done at the dealership would have been $400. Alright, car is jacked up. I got a jack stand holding support, and the rear wheel is chocked. I'm gonna take the caliper off. The caliper brackets, the bolt that connects the caliper to the bracket is a 14mm. There's one here and one a little lower. Right there, actually. I mean, they could use with some change, but they still had some life left in them. Well, the back has more than the front, so that is a sign of some uneven pad wear. All right, our kit here, or a pad set, has the pads, some brake lube, and new hardware, which they weren't going to provide at the dealership without an extra additional cost. I'm going to switch the old hardware set out for the new ones. All right, new hardware is in both sides. Now the piston can be pushed in or cleaned up, and I'll put some of that brake lube on it. All right, now I'll use this brake caliper tool to compress that piston. Alright, that's compressed. I'll get some more lube all over the surface. I should clean it a little more first. Alright, I'm satisfied with that. I can get the new pads in. Yeah, both fresh pads are in. Oh, something to note. The old pads had this clip. I believe it may be an indicator, or it makes the brakes squeal when they get too loose. The new ones came with them, but they have to be put on. Or, I guess that's optional. And the Duralast Gold kit came with all that. So yeah, this is the gold. I don't think this was the highest grade, but it came with the hardware, which was good. Alright, so they slipped into reverse order, and the caliper will go in reverse order. That's all there is to it. Now I can do the other side the same way. Alright, little tip. If the pads are having a little issue going in because of the brackets, just take a flat blade and pry up on the bracket and it'll slip right in. Brake fluid's fine.